All right, guys. Yeah, this is kind of an interesting one here. There's power assist 3, no issues at all. Throttle's working just fine. And no, I've not replaced the controller yet. I do want to thank LECTRIC for getting that controller sent out. It took less than a week, including a weekend. But once again, recapping the problems I had, a week ago last Tuesday, I had complete power failure when I went into pass 3. Then the power just dropped. It was gone. Then Wednesday after that, we went on a little fishing trip, and I did a video on that, and everything worked like just fine. It was crazy. Then the following Thursday, after that, I had the same problems repeat themselves. And of course, I contacted LECTRIC again to make sure they got my email. They did. They got everything sent out, which was really nice. But after that point, today is the 6th day in a row I've been riding the bike normally, and not one problem at all. And I think that might have something to do with the fact that I opened up the controller area to check things out, and the main wires that go to the motor appeared to be kind of like fused together, maybe from heat or something like that. So I carefully got the wires separated, wrapped them in electrical tape, and I haven't had a problem since. Doesn't mean there's not a problem with the controller, and I'm certainly not going to risk it. I will put the new controller in, and the new controller appears to be from a more recent build, according to LECTRIC, what they told me, meaning any tweaks or improvements they did on the controller, the stock controller, would be in this particular build that I got. Because let's face it, at the factory, I got my bike a year ago. You don't know how old that controller was. Yeah, you don't know. It could have been sitting on the shelf for 3 years. Let's go check this out again here. Yeah, see, Power Assist 2, everything's great. Only one thing that still kind of puzzles me is the no error messages whatsoever. Now, I know that the error messages you'd get on your display pretty much correlate with any loose connections, whether it's to your brakes, your display, or down by the controller, or to your motor plug. I mean, I would think that if wires got compromised, which maybe those wires did, that there would have been an error code, but never an error code. So I don't know. Either way, I will replace it. Never know. So yeah, if you guys are having problems like I did with experiencing power loss in your bike, check the wires down by your controller, because if things did overheat, you could have compromised some of the housing on the wires, and if you're getting a short, that could definitely cause a problem. So other than that, yeah, I will do another update to see how this thing keeps performing. Like I said, this is 6 days now, so I don't know. Knock on wood. I'm not going to risk it. But if I solve the problem without having to tear the whole controller out, that'd be great. But we will see, guys. Other than that, keep safe out there. See you on the next video.